Do you crave supercharged erections, increased sexual power, outstanding performances, anytime, anywhere, day or night? Now fantasy is reality with Focused Shockwave and Electromagnetic Transduction Therapy. Our groundbreaking sexual boost treatment thickens and turbocharges your penis through targeting millions of blood vessels, causing them to expand, lengthen and multiply, creating a massive network of new erection-boosting blood vessels and sexual nerve tissues, enabling you to effortlessly perform time and time again. Don't miss out on this leading-edge treatment and book a sexual boost plan today at our private clinics in Knightsbridge, London or Richmond, Surrey. Mansmatters, Europe's premier sexual boost clinic. www.mansmatters.co.uk